Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the dissociation constant. The dissociation constant of weak acid in aqueous solution is equal to the HA is equal to H plus A negative. The dissociation constant of weak acid can be denoted by the K, and K is equal to HA upon H. Now consider the dissociation constant for weak base is equal to the B plus H2O equivalent to the BH plus OH negative ions. Kb is equal to BH plus OH negative upon B. Water itself capable of dissociation below the enlist the reaction H2O is equal to the H plus O negative. The equilibrium constant K is equal to H plus OH negative upon H2O. The H2O is usually considered to be constant. Kw is equal to H positive OH negative, where Kw is the ion of the water. Dissociation concept of acid and base. A strong acids dissociate completely in aqueous solution to form the hydronium ion H2O plus, and HCl is equal to the HCl plus H2O converted into H3O, that is the hydronium ion. A weak acid does not dissociate completely in aqueous solution to form the hydronium ions. A strong base dissociates completely in aqueous solution to form the hydronium ion, that is NaOH is converted into Na positive plus OH negative, and CH3COH, a weak acid, is converted into CH3COH plus H2O. There are a weak base does not dissociate completely in aqueous solution to form the hydronium ion, that is NH4OH. Ammonium hydroxide is converted into the ammonia plus hydroxide ion. There are some examples of weak and the strong acids. Strong acids are the HCl, H2SO4 and nitric acid. Weak acids are the acetic acids, HF, that is hydrofluoric acid, oxalic acid. Strong base, that is NOH, KOH and LiOH, that is the lithium hydroxide. Weak base is the liquid ammonia. In today's class, I discuss about the following: dissociation concept of acid and base and dissociation constant.